Imagine a building that doesn't just stand on the ground, it grows with its surroundings, blending seamlessly into nature. The Fab Tree Hab TerreformONE project is a radical reimagining of architecture, where trees and structures coexist in a symbiotic relationship. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a building truly be both a habitat for wildlife and a functional living space? Let's dive into this groundbreaking project that challenges traditional notions of design. This eco-conscious structure, located near the Storn King Art Center in New Windsor, New York, combines ancient tree grafting techniques with cutting-edge computational design. Instead of concrete and steel, the team used regenerative, bio-based materials to create a multi-species habitat that supports biodiversity. The project isn't just about aesthetics. It's a bold experiment in sustainability, replacing harmful industrial materials with organic alternatives that mimic natural ecosystems. Led by architect Vivian Kwan and a team of experts including Nicholas Lynch and Claudia D'Oria, the Fab Tree Hab exemplifies how architecture can become a collaborative process with nature. The design incorporates timber scaffolds that act as both structural support and a canvas for tree growth, creating a dynamic interplay between human innovation and ecological resilience. Critics may argue that such projects are too idealistic, but proponents see them as a necessary evolution in urban planning. The project's success hinges on balancing technological precision with biological intuition, a challenge that requires not just skilled engineers, but also a deep respect for the natural world. As this project proves, the future of architecture might not be built with bricks and mortar, but with roots and leaves. What do you think? Is this the next frontier of sustainable design, or a fantasy that's too ambitious for real-world application? Share your thoughts in the comments below.